Welcome to Family and the Feast channel. My name is Janet and this is
Chloe again.
Chloe is our taste tester. Remember all the ingredients and measurements, it will be listed down below in the description box.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
So guys, in today's video, we will be making some Mauby, and this is a requested video from one of my viewers on Facebook. So Annie, I hope you enjoy this recipe. Now here are the ingredients you will need for your Mauby recipe. I have brown sugar, and I highly recommend brown sugar. For my spices, I have 1 bay leaf, I have a Star Anise, I have Anise Seed, I have clove, I have cinnamon stick, and here is my Mauby bark. And so I just want to place the Mauby bark in my hand so you get an average amount as to how much and how big of a piece I'm using. Now they're like this size and I'm only using 4 pieces, so I really hope this helps you, because for the Mauby bark it has to be accurate, otherwise your Mauby is going to get extremely bitter and you will not like the taste. So now that we have all our ingredients here, I'm not sure if I mentioned my essence, but yes, I'll be using some essence as well. And now that we have all our ingredients here, we're gonna head over to the stove and I will show you the next step. So guys, to a pot, I have some water coming up to a boil here, and I'm going to add in all my spices, my Mauby bark and everything else in here. Now I'm going to cover this and I'm going to allow it to boil for about 2 minutes or so. As long as your water comes up to a rolling boil, you can turn the stove down to the very lowest and allow it to sit there for, or allow it to steam for about 15 minutes, and you can turn your stove off. So now that mine came up to a boil, I am just going to cover it and allow it to sit to boil there for 2 minutes. So guys, it has been that 2 minutes and I'm going to take my cover off. After that 2 minutes, you're going to turn your stove down to the lowest and you're going to cover it and allow it to steam and draw for 15 minutes. Now after that 15 minutes, you can turn your stove off and allow it to cool down completely before we sweeten it. So guys, it's been that 15 minutes and we're gonna check on our Mauby now. This is all set here. So all you want to do now is turn your stove off, and don't get concerned if your Mauby is not a nice brown color. It's not supposed to be too dark when it's drawn. So now I'm going to add in some essence, and I turn my stove off. Now after you add in your essence, you're going to give this a stir and allow it to cool down completely. When that's cooled down, I will come back and show you the next step. So guys, now that my Mauby has cooled down, I'm going to add in my sugar. And I'm going to add in a little bit first, and we're going to taste that and adjust if it's needed. So I'm going to allow the sugar to melt before I taste it. So I'm going to taste this now. Chloe isn't going to taste it because it's not one of her favorite drink. For me, I am going to add just a little bit more sugar to this. It is going to be up to you, just a little bit more sugar to this. And it is going to be up to you whether you like it bitter or you like it sweet or mild. It depends on your taste. Now for me, I'm going to add a little bit more sugar. I did add 1 cup of sugar first, and I just added like about a teaspoon more. Now I'm gonna leave in the description box 1 cup of sugar, so you can adjust with any other amount that you would like. Now a next thing to keep in mind is that If you would like to make a concentrate out of this, all you need to do is double the ingredients and lessen the water, which is like you can double the ingredients and just use 4 cups of water, which I've used 8 cups of water. Now I'm going to strain this in my measuring bowl. And these are not reusable, so you can just throw this out. And if you would like to add some more water to this once you make your mixture and you think that you need some more water, you need it to be a little bit lighter, you can go ahead and add in some more water. But this is how my husband likes it. It's actually his favorite drink, so this is how he likes it. It is one of my husband's favorite. He's not home to try it with me, so I'm gonna ask the cameraman to help me. Cheers. Oh yeah, just as I remember it, guys. I really hope you enjoy this recipe, guys. Give it a try and leave me a comment and let me know what you think. We hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.